In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the width margin of the strip in your Wix website. Whether you're looking to give your site a bit more breathing room or tighten things up for a more compact design, adjusting the width margins can make a big difference in your site's appearance. Let's jump into the process and transform your Wix page together. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Wix website editor where you have all the tools necessary to modify your site. This is where you can see and edit your entire web page layout, so make sure you have the right site open before proceeding. Once you're in the editor, your starting point is identifying the specific section you wish to alter. This could be a header, a body strip, or any segment that you want to adjust. Simply click on this section to highlight it. You'll notice that an options panel will appear once you've selected the section. Now that you have the section ready, direct your attention to the stretch settings. The stretched option is essential because it controls how content spans across different viewport sizes. By clicking on stretched, you activate new settings which directly influence how your section adjusts to different screens, giving you a more versatile design fitting various devices and displays. Following this, move on to the margins tab, which you'll find within the stretched settings. Margins allow you to create space around your section, effectively controlling how close or far away the content sits in relation to the edges of your website. This feature is particularly useful when trying to maintain visual harmony throughout your page, highlighting elements you want visitors to focus on, or simply avoiding a cluttered look. Margins not only influence aesthetic aspects but also user experience, so it's worth spending some time here. Lastly, once you're in the margins menu, you have the freedom to adjust it to your preference. You can slide the margin bar left or right depending on the amount of space you want to add or reduce. Take time to preview your changes and see how they interact with the overall layout of your site. Remember, small adjustments can have a sizable impact, so experiment until you find the perfect balance for your design. This flexibility is key to ensuring your site looks exactly how you envision it on desktops, tablets, and mobile devices. And there you have it, you've now successfully changed the width margin of a strip on your Wix website. By following these straightforward steps, you can manipulate your web design, ensuring it's precisely tailored to your needs and preferences. Don't forget to save your changes before exiting, and happy designing.